In this video, I am going to talk about top 13 free certification courses on cloud fundamentals, and these 13 courses are offered by Amazon Web Services. So let's see how we can get our free certificate from doing courses offered by Amazon Web Service. For example, I would like to do these courses. Just I need to simply click over there. Then here you can see free courses and the course description. Here you can go through all of these things by yourself. Here you can see course outline, course duration, everything. Okay, then you just need to simply click here, sign in. Then here you'll get two options. You need to give a tick mark here all regions, then click here, sign in. Then here you need to put your email address, password. Then you need to click here, create your Amazon account. Then you will get a page here like this. You just need to give your name, mail, again password, re-enter password, and click here, create your Amazon account. Then here you need to fill up the captcha code. Just simply fill up it carefully, then click here, continue. Then here you need to put your OTP code. This code is sent to the email address that you provided here. So log in your mail and take the OTP code and just put it here. Then click here on verify. Then here you need to add your mobile number. Okay, before putting phone number here, just you need to select the country where you belong. Then you need to use the country code and your phone number. Then again another OTP code is sent to your mobile number. Just put the OTP code that you receive in your mobile number here. Then click your create Amazon account. Then here you need to fill up this boxes here with the correct information. Your company, if you don't have a company, you can write down your educational institution name, the language, country, time zone. Then give a tick mark here and click here save. Then here you will get this option. Here you can see free course. This course is included with free digital training subscription. Then you just need to simply click here launch to start these courses. And here you can see course is in progress. I started this course on December 22, 2020. Then click here again resume. Then here you'll get this message here like this. You don't need to get worried about that. Just simply click here launch course. And here you can see the course outline. So after completing these courses, you will get your free certificate from this Amazon Web Service. Check the video description to get the link of all of these courses.